Excellency, honorable members also present this afternoon.
Ndumiriri ya President William RUTO cikaro-ini cia bunge umuthi ni tamburukirie maundu matiganite maria thirikari iratanya gukinyaniria na gatagati-ini kamo ni gutwarithia na mbere tabarira ngurani iria RUTO augite ni ciguteithiriria kuhura njeki ukuria wa bururi hamwe na tabarira iria cihetwo ritu munene ni waki wa barabara. President akiuga ati kiumia giukite ni gukorwo akiruguria tabarira ya kwaramia barabara ya kumaliro ni guthie Mau Summit, ya kumaliro ni guthie Mai Mahiu nginyagia Naivasha, na ya kuma Nairobi guthie Kiambu nginyagia Ndumberi, barabara iria augite ati ni cikuhuthia ukui na gikiro kinene.
Roads earmarked for dualling include Muthaiga Kiambu Ndumberi, Machakos Junction Mariakani, Mau Summit Kericho Kisumu, Kisumu Busia, Mau Summit Eldoret Malaba.
And in along tugia kafara icio ciothe hari kindu gitagwo job creation. Tugia kafara icio ciothe andu aria maratwarithia matinga macio kware iria irahura maiga, andu aria marendia thimiti, andu aria marendia cuma, ndo icio ciothe yuko ire guko.
Tunajua watu wengi wamekufa kwa sababu ya accidents ya barabara hii ambayo ni nyembamba, na tunapoendelea sikukuu za Krismasi ikipanuliwa itatetea watu wetu ambao wanatoka sehemu hiyo.
President nigeni augite ati kuri na mubango wa kwaramia kilomita citanyire 2,500 cia barabara guothe bururi-ini na ninge gwaka kilomita njeru 28,000 guothe bururi-ini ihinda-ini ria miaka 10 iguka.
This infrastructure drive will also include extending the standard gauge railway from Naivasha to Kisumu and eventually to Malaba.
The birth of an industrialized country, vision yari ya mundu gutu mwaiku wa Kibaki, but the birth has been born and is going to be born under the leadership of President William RUTO.
Nige President neranire ati icukiro cia mirigo na iharo cia ndege ni cigukorwo cikiandandurwo.
We will onboard private public partnership in the modernization of Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, Mombasa and Lamu airports, and sort out the challenges facing Kenya Airways by next year.
There is going to come a time hindi ria Mukenya arirora thutha o uria riu Kenyans othe aria maregete guthura nginya Moi wa Kibaki mwaka 2007 mauga Kibaki ni wari best president. Another 10 years, another 15 years, the Kenyans marikara uguo mauga na kweli muthuri uyu etagwo William Samoei Ruto hari handu onete na ni handu atutwaraga.
Tabarira ingi iria President ranire ni gutigirira bururi ni urahota guciarithia thitima ya kuigana Kenya na mihango yothe ya gukuria iganda bururi-ini.
Drive domestic electrification, industrial manufacturing, e-mobility, green industrialization, digital expansion, and a technology-enabled future. We must dramatically expand power generation.
There you see our peak demand is 2,418 against our farm capacity of 2,300. Tugikona breakdown of any one unit on maintenance, on key, no ginya tugikate, tugirutia. Niho president ya iradu atirini, rekei twetikire, tuthondeke mwaki muingi, nigetha uhote kuhunia bururi.
Nige President neranire ati demu citanyihire 50 ni cigwakwo guothe bururi-ini niguo guteithiriria gukuria urimi na kuhunia bururi.
You cannot industrialize agikorwo ndura produce irio cia gwikatia cia kuigana. Agikorwo tugukorwo hindi ciothe irio ni kuhoya turahoya nja, ni kugura turagura irio ciothe nja, na niho riu arauga atiriri nigetha twihunie as a country tutige kurira na rain fed agriculture, because only 15% of the country has enough rainfall. 73% of this country it is arid and semi-arid. So akauga ati reke tuthondeke dams.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wagojiria.